Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking product promotional Facebook story for your Facebook pages or brands. Go to the search bar in Canva and type Product Facebook Story, and Canva will suggest the best templates available for you. Explore all the options by clicking See All. And now you can see plenty of options you can modify, add your own customizations, and make your own design for your product. I will go with this one. It looks good and it's free. Just explore and choose whichever you like and customize that template. After customization, you can see I can fully edit or modify this template. Now, if I want to work with the text, I just select it, and these are the available options I can use to customize the text. If I want to change the font, I will go to Font, and here are the available fonts. This one is for changing text color. This is for making text bold, italic, underlined, or strike-through. You can try these out. These are the basics, and you'll understand quickly. So that covers all the text customization options. Now, if you want to replace images in this template, to do that, you need to upload images from your computer. After that, your image will appear here. Now you just need to drag and drop it like this. You can drag and drop images the same way, maybe like this. You can simply replace them. If you want to change the background, you can easily remove the background. To add a new background, go to the Elements and search for Background. Or you can, in a similar way, add your own image background by uploading from your computer. Like this, you can just send it to the back. Or maybe it should be clothing, like this you have. In a similar way, you can add any background, or you can upload from your computer and simply drag and drop like this. You can just drag and drop and make it like this, or you can resize it, adjust timing, or change the color by just clicking on it. Yeah, like this. You can modify whatever you like. Add your own details, information, images, logos, branding colors, everything. When you're done with the changes and customization, to download it, you need to rename your file. Go to Share, Download, and download it in PNG or any other available format. Within a few minutes, your product Facebook story will be ready to upload to your Facebook story.